Hello, my name is Darren Jones. I'm a digital inclusion tutor. Through the MCC, I now work for the YMCA, helping people doing digital inclusion tutoring in general, just learning their how to use their equipment, and also doing job clubs in a comfortable atmosphere, and we give them more time and we help them when they need help or whatever, so there's no rush and people, it's more relaxed atmosphere. And through that then we carry on, and a lot of people actually attend our sessions because they find it easier than attending certain other sessions. I started looking for a job, so I joined the MCC very early and Communities First, and through the training and what they offered me, I just went up because I found computing a personal interest of mine. I'm not fantastically IT acknowledged or whatever, and a lot of the people like that because I talk to them on a similar level rather than being high and mighty and using big technological words that a lot of people will just not understand. Like I said, at the moment I work now for the YMCA, and I work for an agency which gives me enough money so that I can carry on doing what I like, which is helping people do their job searches and with their digital inclusion skills.
Hi, I'm Daniel. I'm a current volunteer for the MCC Neath. I've been a volunteer since the summer of 2014 in July. What we do is we help members of the public get online, and we show them how to use technology, which involves using the computer, the tablets and the phones. We've been working on these IT projects for a number of years now, and it's finally growing to a point now where we get at least 7 to 8 people per lesson. Often I'm showing people how to get on the web, basically the basic stuff. We do have random people sometimes coming into our lessons asking us bizarre things, like one gentleman was like in his 60s and he wanted us to help him create a website. But if we don't know how to do something, we find a way, and that's what's good about this this club, is that we would find a way to help that person to achieve what they desire to achieve. So a lot of people ask us to help them with their CVs, for example, because they're out of work for a while and they want to get back into it. So they come here, learn how to use word processing software, and we'll help them then generate a CV. And from that, so many people have come back with a job, and and they've bettered themselves, and they still return back to advance on their computer skills. There've been people who have never even talked to their families abroad, and they've come to these sessions and they've learned how to use Skype, and they have communicated with them, and it's that moment when you see their face light up, and you realise then that what a good thing you're doing, really, because not only are you helping these people out, you're connecting them with their family, and you sort of bring in the globalization of it all together,